Say, Dino, you made this beat.
What was happening, y'all? So back to the channel. We on the way to Cleveland, Mississippi. It's currently 10:20 right now. We running a little late. I overslept this morning, so my bad. Everybody that's watching this video, you know, I already know I had to go link up with my boy Mike, man. Big Mike, man. Yeah, bro. Mike done linked it out, y'all. He done set that thing on the tire. How it ride, man?
Ride like shit.
But it look good though. It look clean as hell. Oh yeah, boy. That boy Mike leaned it today, bro. Yeah, bro. That bitch gone. What y'all think, man? Y'all let me know, bro. Y'all like the RCs, the G13s. I didn't get to catch one with the he had some whatchamacallit, some LTZs on there, but he sold them. So he got the G13s now. So yeah, you know what I mean, I'm still thugging 16 rides, 3-inch spaces, we ride, man, we don't care. So you know, you about to top off that badass 93. I love how that 93 ride, man. I love it, bro. That 93 good.
Place your generator out.
I should have been start putting 93 in my tank, man. I don't know why I didn't have it. So yeah, bro. Let's get it, bro. Let's sell some merch today. Let's have a nice day today, bro. Let's meet some new people, bro. And like, bro, let's have fun for real, man. We sliding all day. Man, this bit was a ride from BR, boy.
Nigga, what?
I woke up this morning, I was like, bruh, sleepy as hell.
You wanna take this trip?
Man, for real. I got buku trucks pulling up, though. Yeah. So yeah, man, we made it out here, man. 4.5 hours, man. We sliding. Look at her. God, hey, them boys pulling up for real, man. I ain't gonna count. They pulling up, man. Check this bit out. God damn. Oh shit. That bitch pulling up. What you want to say, brother?
I don't want to say nothing, I just want to get in the video. How we doing, Prom?
Oh yeah, what's good with you? How y'all doing? How you doing?
What's up, man? John, nice to meet you.
Oh, yeah, man. What's good?
What's up, man?
How y'all doing?
All right, man.
How you doing?
All right. Thank you for coming.
Oh yeah, bro. Everything lit. Ooh, this sounds good right here. God damn. Yeah. God, what the loud, boy. Ooh, that thing wide. Good. Good job, boys. Down. That been on stocks and grabs, man. That thing on stocks and grabs. Look at this. Oh, Jeep out here.
No, the bar is this way.
Oh,
They know what I mean. He had something he wanted to say?
I was up here chilling.
I had to get you up here.
I seen everybody.
All right, and also we would like to thank Cruising with Mel with coming all the way from Louisiana to be with us. Y'all go ahead and give it up one time for Cruising with Mel.
Oh yeah, you already know, man. We out here.
All right, if we can get all the guys that won something, if you can come up to the stage so we can take a picture with each and every one of you. Everybody that won, if y'all would just come up to the stage. I can't say up front.
Hey, who's that third?
Oh, we don't know how flimsy this stage is, so we're gonna do it out here. We're gonna do it on the ground.
This stage ain't gonna give up at 40 folks on this.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. My life is very bad. Huh? What is his name? RJ Miller. You're RJ Miller? Yeah. All right, Mr. RJ Miller's right here that run third place with classics. Y'all give it up for him.
Oh, what you got, bro? What you got?
I don't know what you do. You can bathroom?
Yeah, what you got? Second. We got first.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
What you got? Hold on, what you got? Classic? Yeah,
All right,
man.
y'all just come around. All the way around here. We're going to take a good, nice little group.
When y'all leaving out, one truck at a time, cause they acting the ass down there. I want nobody windshield to get cracked. Nobody windshield to get cracked.
Yeah.
If you can spin them tires down there one at a time, spin them one time and let it roll.
Yeah, let me hear a bit. Yeah, let me go. Yeah, cut up. Okay.
What about you, Mr. Evans? Mr. Evans, tell me what you...
Next, man. What up?
Hey, I feel you on that, bro. I feel you on that.
Yeah. Let me see some. Hold on. What did you do? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, little one wheel, yeah. That's what I'm talking
Y'all watch out, y'all watch out.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, boy, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, okay. And he repping.
I'm be smelling like
Talking
rubber.
about, and he repping. And he repping, man. Come on now, quit playing. Quit playing, man. Okay. So I'm talking about.
What you talking about?
Hey, that's a Chevy, man. That's a Chevy.
Yeah. Well, I'm talking about, and they repping, man. Man, get it just cruise stick to be stamped out here, man. Come on, quit playing. Okay. Okay. What they can do, man?
Okay, I see you out there, boy. I see you.
Damn.
One day Mormon. He's from Craven, Mississippi.
He's still cutting up. Okay, come on, what up with it? What up with it? Man, check him out, man. Leaning out there for real, dog. These boys out there sliding. Boy, that's too much power.